Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fifth part of 14th chapter How Big, How Heavy of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. Now let's know the name of the today's topic. So it is How Heavy Am I? Let's start it. Do you remember the story of how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant? And it was the story of class 4 mathematics book, and it is in 143, page number 143. So do you remember that story? Okay, if you don't, so don't worry, let me tell you that story once again, and for that here I have taken some pictures for the more clarification. So the name of the story was Elephant's Weight. So in this story we will know that how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant. So let's start the story. Once there was a king and he had very much pain in his stomach, and for that he announced that anyone who cures his stomach pain, he or she will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. And to get the prize, to get the award, many doctors came to cure king's pain, but only Dr. Vedika could cure his pain, and now it was the time for getting award. The king was very greedy. He didn't want to give golds to Dr. Vedika, and for that he told to Vedika that first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you gold. So now Dr. Vedika was intensed that how she will get the weight of the elephant. Then her daughter came and she told that don't worry mom, just asked the king to come to the river with an elephant and one boat. And Dr. Vedika went to meet the king and he told everything what her daughter told to him. Now next day Vedika with her daughter came to the river, and also the king came with a big boat and an elephant. Now Vedika's daughter went into the river and she just marked the on the boat that how much it sank in the river. Here she is marking, and after that she brought elephant into the boat. Then the boat sank deeper. Here you can see in the picture the boat sank deeper. Now once again she marked this label. Okay, in this way she found that what was the previous mark and present mark. So it was the weight of the elephant, and after this she just move out the elephant, and king had everything has understand that how she is finding the weight of the elephant. Then Vedika said to king that just load the golds on this boat until this mark, then it will be the weight of the gold equal to the elephant. So in this way Vedika's daughter could find the weight of an elephant. Now after this story come to the topic, and here are some more questions for the practice. Now can you guess the weight of the heaviest animal on this earth? No, it's not me. Yes, it is not elephant. So what is it? It is blue whale. And what is its weight? Let's find its weight. But the elephant said that I weigh only 5,000 kilogram. Now it is the blue whale who has the heaviest weight in this earth. Now its weight is around 35 times more than me, means the weight of the elephant is 5,000 kilogram, and the blue whale is 35 times. So we have to multiply this number. So we will get 175 and how many zeros? 3 zeros. So it is 1,75,000 kilogram. This is the weight of this blue whale. Now so how many thousands kilogram does it weight? I have already told you it. Now some more questions are here. Guess question 1. Guess how many children of your weight will be equal to the weight of an elephant of 5000 kilogram. For example, in my class there are total 45 students and they all have don't equal weights. So let me take any average weight, for example 50. Okay, this weight of an elephant student is 50 kilogram around. Okay, now we have to divide 5000 by 50. So how much we will get? 100. Okay, so 100 students weight will be equal to 5000 kilogram who have 50 kilogram weight. Now next question, a baby at birth a baby elephant weighs around 90 kilogram. How much did you weigh when you were born? Just comment this. Okay, that what was your weight at the time of your birth. Just ask to your parent, then write it. Now find out how many times is a baby elephant heavier than you were at birth. So here is the weight of the baby elephant, that is 90. And generally when a baby boy or baby girl just birth, so its weight is around 3 kilogram to 5 kilogram. So let's take 3 kilogram. So how many times it is more than your weight? So just divide it. So 3 3s and 3 zeros means 30 times. So you can say that the baby elephant is around 30 times more than your weight. If it is 5, so divide 90 by 5. So what you will get? So let's divide it. 5 1 ja 5, you will get 4, then 0, 5 8 ja 40. So it is now 18 times more than your weight. If your weight was 5 kilogram at the time of your birth. Now next question is, if a grown-up elephant eats 136 kilogram food in a day, then it will eat around 10 kilogram in a month. So in 1 month there are 30 days. So we have to multiply 136 with 30. So now how much will you get? 3 6 it is 18, 1 is carried, 3 3 9 plus 1 it is 10, 1 is carried, 3 1 3 plus 1 4, and 1 more 0. So 4080. So we can write here 4080 kilogram. Yes, it can eat in a month. So next, guess about how much it will eat in a year. So once again, in 1 year there are how many days? 365 days. So now what will we do? We will just multiply 136 multiply by 365, because 1 year means 365 days. So now you can multiply and get your answer. And now just comment it that what is the food that an elephant can eat in 1 year. If in 1 day that elephant eats 136 kilogram of food. So must comment it. In this way this topic is completed. I hope that you have very well understand this all things. But if you have any doubt, so must ask your question in the comment section. And now it's time to say goodbye. So see you all in the next video, which will be our last video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.